everyone. So today I wanted to share this big box that I got. I got it from Walgreens. It's regularly 50 bucks, but I got it for 25 because it's on clearance right now. I think it was part of their Christmas stuff, but it has a lot of products in it and it's cute. It opens up like this, a little cutout thing, and there's some of the products, and then there's a drawer that's like that. So I'm going to get all the products out and show you everything out. And it looks like after you take the plastic out, you could probably use this to store stuff in. It's a really pretty box. It's got these little glitter pull tab thingies. So it comes with two brushes. One looks like an eyeshadow brush. They feel like NARS packaging, if you've ever felt that. It's interesting. It feels really well made. It doesn't feel cheap at all. And a powder brush. Everything is full size except for the lip gloss, I believe. We have a full size of the lip gloss. I really love their lip gloss. It gives you like a tingly feeling. And these are the ones that came with the box. So compared to the full size, that's what size you get. But you get two. So it's almost a full size. So these two. They're both really glittery. One's called Plum Sup, and the other one's Candy Queen. There's Candy Queen. It's really pretty. They smell really good too. It's like a vanilla mint kind of smell. This one's Plum Sup. Those are really pretty. They're not super pigmented, but they do have color to them. If you don't like glitter, then I don't think you will like these. I have tried the lip gloss and I like that, and I've also tried this, which I have a video on. I really like this mascara. It's called Thick and Fast High Definition Collagen Coat Mascara. And it's in Film Noir. This is the one that I already have, so now I have a backup. That's what the brush looks like. It has a normal mascara smell. So the next thing is their eyeliner, the Super Cat Liquid Black Eyeliner. And I haven't used this yet. I think it is, yeah, it's felt tip. I kind of like the brush tips better, but let's see how this does. Well, it's not too pigmented, so I don't know. I'm gonna press a little harder. And you do have to press a little harder to get the pigment out. But it's not, the felt tip isn't, I kind of like it. It's wiggly, it's not super hard. Like the ones that I've used before were super hard and like scratched my eyelid. The smell. It smells odd. I guess it's a regular eyeliner smell. I don't know. Let me smell another one of my eyeliners. Yeah, this Physicians Formula doesn't really smell. So if your eyes are sensitive to smells, I don't know how that would go. But the next is their Super Luminizing Highlighting Powder. It's called Glow It All Out. And it looks like this. I have not tried any of their face products. I want to try their foundation though, but let's see. So I barely touched it and that's how much came off. It's kind of sparkly. Yeah, it's a lot sparkly. I do like it though so far. It gives a nice little glow. And the last thing that's in here is their eyeshadow palette. It's called Lid Stuff. I really like their packaging. It doesn't feel too cheap. But that's what that looks like. And I will swatch them on my hand. Eyeshadow swatched. And they're decent. They're decently pigmented. They're not too powdery, but that's what they look like after I swatched them with my finger. This one, probably because it's a glitter, it's not that great pigmented, but it's really pretty. I'm sure if you add, or if you use a wet brush, you could probably make it look really nice. Mascara is regularly $14. The eyeliner is $10, and the Glow It All Out is regularly $15. So yeah, if you get it on clearance right now for $25, that's, if you like Soap and Glory stuff, or if you've ever wanted to try it, I think that's a really good deal. And I also found out about the program Walgreens has. It's called Beauty Enthusiast, and I got a little sample bag with some samples in it. It's not that great. I'll show you really quick. So you get this if you're part of their Beauty Enthusiast thing, and if you spend like $35, I think, online. But it comes with the little CeraVe. This is interesting. It's the Pantene Foam Conditioner. I haven't tried that yet. And something from, I can't pronounce any of that. A nail file from Revlon. This little thing of Aquaphor. Some Optic White toothpaste. It's a little dented. A sample of Revlon Color Stay in Caramel, which I won't be able to use. Some OGX little samples. And every 5,000 points, it's a $5 reward. And there's a bunch of coupons in here. This is not sponsored, by the way. I just found out about it when I went online to look at their makeup. And there's a bunch of these with coupons on them. They're little sample packets. that's everything. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe and thumbs up. I will be posting more often now, so if you want to click on the bell so you know when I upload, that'd be awesome. So have an awesome day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.